increase customer satisfaction, and extra service revenue with Sunny's S-Pod Polisher on Demand. Developed in conjunction with Simonize USA, S-Pod includes everything you need to turbocharge polish and glass treatment in a retractable online profit center. The system includes Sunny's top brush and SFB 28-inch side washers, both outfitted with NeoGlide closed-cell foam material. Specialized applicators completely and efficiently apply both Simonize Vision Clear and Simonize Triple Foam Polish with UV protectant. The S-Pod comes complete with a 7.5 horsepower 2-flow hydraulic power pack and 2 lighted signs promoting the service. Everything you need to make a truly distinguished impression of the extra service you are offering is included in the S-Pod package. Safe, reliable, high-performance vehicle wash technology. Visit sunnysdirect.com for details. Stay tuned for an in-depth overview of this product with Anthony Analetto, Chief Operations Officer for Sunny's, the car wash factory.
Welcome to Sunny's, the car wash factory. I'd like to take a few minutes and talk to you about a new piece of equipment that we've created at Sunny's. It's called our S-Pod. Stands for Sunny's Polisher on Demand. We've incorporated a few of our great pieces of equipment, being the top brush, rocker brush, triple foam, and even a rain windshield repellent product to be applied up top. And the whole idea is we're trying to take the customer up a level with a new service. There's enough equipment in this car wash to wash the car without this piece of equipment. But if the customer buys an extra service, they sometimes not only just want to see soap or wax come on or see a light go on, they want another cleaning process. So what we believe is with the innovation of all the new types of services that are available, we would be able to take the customer and sell them another service, and then they'll actually see the car come cleaner, shinier, because we did some more equipment and products to it. So we created the product here. This is shown with the Simonize products. They're UV protected and they're vision clear, but it can be sold with other chemical suppliers' products. It can be private label for any one of the other suppliers as well. And it's a real neat piece of equipment. It'll be retracted all the time like you saw it when we started, and it comes down in, services the vehicle that's coming through, and then retracted out of the way. So when a customer doesn't buy it, they know that they didn't get it and they know what they didn't get. Support equipment for our S-Pod is multifaceted here in the back room. There's a lot of things going on in the S-Pod. So the first thing we need to do is spin those brushes. And again, they're hydraulic drive, so we need a hydraulic power pack to do it. And this one here would be requiring a 2-flow power pack. So we'd have a 7.5 horsepower motor with 2 flows, one for the top brush, one for the rocker brush. Each one of those controlled independently because they're spinning at different RPMs and have different loads on them. The second thing we'd have to have is a set of solenoid valves, and we're going to be able to retract that top brush and those rocker brushes out of the way when it's not being used. So the solenoid valve set up on the computer system to turn on and off when the customer buys it, and it'll either retract the brush up and down and the rocker brushes out to the side. When the car comes in and buys it, they'll release and let them come in and do the car. The other thing we need to do is have the triple foam applicator system. So to do that there, we need a triple G57 pump station with 3 pumps, 3 tanks, 3 hydrominders for the 3 different colors, 1 main control system to put the product, to activate the 3 pumps to do the triple foam. And if we do it with the Simonize product, we can add the rain vision. There would be another separate pump station here to do just the rain vision, which is the product that we apply to the windshield of the vehicle so that we can polish it on with a top brush. Really nice feature, works real well. On the very end down here, we're going to take a walk down and I'll show you the 2 water solenoid valves that would be there to feed water to the top brush and the rocker brushes to keep them clean and well lubricated. Come on, let's take a look. This is important to keep like all of our brush equipment, we want to keep fresh water on it all the time, so we're rinsing any dirt or debris or wax or residue that's on there to keep it clean and looking good for each customer as they get the service they're provided. And that's all the equipment needed for the S-Pod.